want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin 1 hour chart. Listen, look at this green, crazy price action. You had to move from 26,587 all the way up to 27,200 in a 1 hour candle. This liquidated, over leveraged longs and shorts going both directions. Whipsaw pattern on like the 5-minute time frame. So what happened was Powell, Fed Chair Powell, came out and said may not need to raise rates again because of the credit stress in the country. Right now, I think credit card balances are at like all-time highs. Like people are loaded down in credit. Wait till you start seeing these banks cut back and start shutting credit down that people are living off of. Everything changes, which is good news. Everybody wants to hear like, we're not going to raise the rates. We're not going to raise the rates. And that definitely helps the stock market and potentially crypto. Then Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen comes out and says more bank CEOs are being told that more mergers may be necessary. You'll see people at your bank moving money to bigger banks. And so this thing was just all over the place based on, you had a positive comment and then a negative comment come out. Total price manipulation. I mean, you have retail buying in and then you have everybody, the whales dumping on everybody as soon as it runs up to this resistance level. So it's important to understand that trading this chop is tough, but you've got to find the right coins, and that's what we do every day. Bitcoin 2 hour chart. So previously we talked about how this price action bounced strong at these levels. However, as soon as you have a rising, broadening wedge, 68% chance this breaks lower, and you had big red volume spike and then a bounce, but this put in a lower high. You wanted to see a higher high, so not amazing. So now this used to be support, used to be support, used to be support, used to be support. Now this is the ceiling. So bring this resistance down here. Support is gone. And the price is stuck and has these big challenges at about 27,200. The bulls have got to regain this level. And if not, you could see more downside based on this idea. But we're going to go to the higher time frames because the higher time frame always wins. Bitcoin daily chart. The bulls want to see an SR flip above this trend line. We've had bearish retests sitting right here for a week now because you're assuming downside price action. Bulls lost this key level. Like you've had previous bounce, previous double bottom bounce. You had, again, support. You lose this level and you're coming back and you're kiss of death, possibly. I'm saying you lose this level, you're going down to 25,200. And so bearish retest, your bias is downside, right? Now it would trap a lot of people if you get this bullish move higher after a bullish breakout of about 27,600. But I need a daily candle close because the higher time frames are the most important. So at this point, the bulls are hoping for some type of double bottom, and maybe this is a falling wedge, but not amazing at this point. The bulls have their work cut out for them because the ceiling is right overhead. However, Bitcoin dominance did pull back, and we've done real well on some altcoin trades, and I'll go over that in just a second. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, Mr. Lawrence Franklin, much love, Chris, truly changed my life. And that's what it's all about. Like, you've got to decide to make a change in your life. No one is going to do this for you. You've got to want this. This person in a month started with $20,000, now $97,000. Made $77,000 in a month in the group. Shout out to Camping Life. I made $33,000 in 4 months. He makes less than that working in a year. So he made a year's salary in 4 months in the trading group. And that's what we're doing. This person made $8,000 in 2 days using the ideas that we taught them. I'm going to teach you the basics. I'm going to make sure you're in the right coins and make sure you make a ton of money in this bull run rally. We've got, remember, the biggest life-changing opportunity of your lifetime is about to happen over the next year and a half. It's that simple. You have to understand, like, we're nailing banger after banger after banger after banger. You're in the right coins. You're updated constantly. Just right now, we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group, $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Make sure there's only 7 days left. You can go to the link in the description, sign up for MEXC. And I want to show you exactly an idea on why this is so powerful, right? MEXC, again, they're doing things that other exchanges aren't. By far the best trading interface and the lowest prices. If you use the VIP link in the description, you get half off trading fees. As an example, we posted FET in group by the breakout. Volume just had started to come in. Okay, just had started to come in. Now you got about 14% gains on this move. After the breakout, maybe 10%, right? But the key is that people would be like 10% gains, but look at the volume. Look at the volume. Let volume be your guide. What does this tell you? The entire market saw this move, and this is huge. This is a larger cap coin, FET, right? It's been around forever. And it's AI, right? So AIs obviously do well, but the volume came in, and where the game changes is right here. And a lot of people think it's hard to trade with leverage. There's definitely higher risk, higher reward, much higher reward, right? So FET, this person nailed 347% gains on a 30x long on FET, which was posted in group. You put a little bit of leverage behind this. And the way MEXC is set up, again, make the account today, easy to trade with leverage on MEXC because it's like a video game. You can move the lines around essentially where you want your stop loss, where you want your take profit at, and it's like a video game, right? You're not sitting there typing a bunch of crazy numbers. They make it easy. So if you've been a leverage trader and you're successful, you're going to make even more money. And if you're learning to leverage trade, just practice with small amounts. You're taking these larger cap coins and you're getting small cap bonuses, small cap gains behind them. This is telling you, this is the next Kucoin. MEXC is going to be huge, and we are always staying ahead of the curve, and that's the most important thing in this market. Always think ahead. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.